Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. And okay, shall we come back to our lesson? We are in the final stage of the total syllabus. Okay, in the last lesson, 10th lesson, the practical problems only we are going to do in Tally. So here we need the computer, but the computer is not available now since we are in the quarantine, isn't it? Because of this COVID, we are not able to go to our lab. So if they have opened the school, then once again I will explain this one in the computer. Until then, today I will teach you how to open. Just imagine that the computer is in front of you. Imagine the buttons that you have to press. Okay. So I will read out the problem now. Robert commenced a transport business with a capital of rupees 1 lakh. An account was opened with the State Bank of India and deposited 30,000. Purchased furniture by paying cash. Goods purchased on credit from Mohideen. Cash sales made. Goods purchased from Ratinam and money deposited in CDM. Goods sold to Roni on credit. Money withdrawn from bank for office use. Part payment made to Mohideen by check. Roni made part payment by cash. Salaries paid to staff through ECS. Wages paid by cash. Purchased stationery from Pandian Limited on credit. So here, if they have asked us to do, so here we do not need to do the entire thing. Just we have to enter in the computer. Then we have learned already that is automated accounting system. If we have entered this transaction as an entry in the system, then it will automatically prepare all the other records, all the other documents, especially that ledger account, the trial balance, then the final accounts, or any other statement also, reports also, cash flow statement, fund flow statement. Okay, all these it will prepare. So what we have to do? First of all, a person may have the accounts for many companies, isn't it? So, so first of all, we have to create the company. That is the first step. Okay, first step, how to create a company. So one that company information will be there. Okay, in Tally, if you open Tally, company information, uh, that desktop will come. There you have to click create company. Okay, there you will see this one, creation of company. Okay, now we have to type the name here. See, name as Robert, and keep all the other field as they are. Okay, we should not touch any other thing. And at last, you will see one small box like this. Here you have to click yes. Then company will be created. Okay, that company name is Robert. Then it will automatically enter this one. Okay, that automatically it will enter. Then what are the accounts that we have to maintain? Okay, for that one you have to click gateway of Tally. Then either F11 key will be there here. Okay, features F11, otherwise then general, then maintain accounts only. Okay, maintain accounts only here. Click this one, and at last we have to give yes. Okay, all the we are going to maintain accounts. Then to create the ledger accounts. Create the ledger accounts how? Each ledger account we have to prepare. Their cash and profit and loss account only will be available. So gateway of Tally, then master, accounts information. Okay, then ledger. Then from there ledger, single ledger, then because for each and every account we have to prepare single ledger, not combined ledger. Then create. Then how to create the ledger? See, creation of ledger. First one, to create Robert's capital account. First one, cash account debtor to capital account, isn't it? Already for each and every entry, that first entry means the person commenced business. So what is the entry we know? Cash account debtor to capital account. Already cash is there as default. So we are going to going to create the account. Which account? Capital account. That is Robert's capital account. So we have to type the name Robert's capital account. Okay. Then under which account it will come? Then group. Okay. This group will be the capital account. Okay. Capital account. This we have to click. Okay. Then at last we have to give yes. So this account is created. Which account? Robert's capital account is created. Then next, deposit money in the bank. Then cash is already there. Bank we need. Which bank? State Bank of India. So here we have to write State Bank of India account. Then this State Bank of India is under which group? Bank accounts. Okay, here we have to select. Okay, bank account. Then yes, we have to give. Okay, for each and every entry, transaction, what is needed we have to create. Then for purchase, purchasing furniture. So that purchasing furniture means not purchases account, furniture. So we have to create furniture account. So furniture account will come under which group? Fixed assets. Then yes. Then next one, purchases. If it is credit purchases, cash purchases, purchases will be there. So purchases account under purchases only. Okay. Then yes. Then Muhaideen, we are purchasing goods. So he is the creditors. Okay. If we purchase from someone, they are the creditors. So Muhaideen will come under sundry creditors account. Then yes. That only you should know which group it will come. Then sales. Sales one, sales account only. Then yes. It is easy. Now we are, just imagine we are preparing a single ledger account. Okay. Then Roni. Roni is debtor. We sell goods to Roni. So under sundry debtors account. Then yes. Salaries. It is an indirect expense. Okay. That also we should know. Salaries account, indirect expense account. Yes. Then wages. Wages we know that is direct expenses. Yes. Then stationery, indirect expenses. Okay. So we should know to differentiate between direct expense and indirect expenses. Then we purchase from Pandian Limited. So they are the sundry creditors. Then yes. Now we have created all the ledger accounts. Now we are going to enter the transaction. The first transaction question. Okay, how to enter? We are from the gateway of Tally. We have to go click gateway of Tally. Then transactions we have to click. Then accounting vouchers. Okay. He will get this one. Okay. See, Robert commenced a transport business with a capital of 1 lakh. So this one is cash is coming in. So this one is which voucher? Receipt voucher. Okay, we have to click from this type. Receipt voucher you have to click or F6. Okay, then account cash. Here cash, account cash will come. Receipt means if we click receipt here, that one will come in the red box. Okay, receipt voucher. Cash. Then particulars we have to write. Robert's capital account. Okay, here down we have to write Robert's capital account. Then we have to write the amount here. Okay, then it will automatically write the total. Then narration, here in this black box we have to write. Okay, capital introduced. Then at last you have to select yes. Okay, like here they will, one box will come here, yes. Then second one, an account was opened with the State Bank of India and 30,000 contra voucher. State Bank of India, we have deposited cash, so it is contra voucher. I have told you, when we deposit cash and withdraw money, that is what? When we deposit cash, that is contra voucher. Okay, State Bank of India account, particulars cash, we are paying cash. Then amount 30,000 we should enter here. Then in the narration, bank account opened or opened bank account in SBI. Okay, then last you write yes, click yes here. Third transaction, purchased furniture by paying cash. So here payment voucher. Okay, if we receive cash, that is receipt voucher. If we pay cash, that is payment voucher. So account type cash. Okay, cash. Then particulars. Okay, cash account attached to furniture we will write now. So sorry, furniture account attached to cash. So furniture we have to write here. Furniture account. How much? 10,000. Write there the amount there. Then narration. Furniture bought by cash or furniture bought. Enough. Goods purchased on credit from Muhaideen. So what is the entry? That it is purchased. We make not payment. So it will come under purchase voucher. Okay. Then account name Muhaideen you have to write. Okay, party account name it will ask. Then the cash sales. This one also sales voucher. Okay. Cash sales also, all credit and cash sales. Credit purchase, cash purchase, purchase voucher. Okay. You should not think about the subsidiary books. Subsidiary books, no, we enter only the credit purchases. But here in the computer accounting, we have to enter both cash purchase and credit purchase in purchase voucher. Then both cash sales and credit sales in the sales voucher. Okay. So here account type cash, particular sales account. Okay. Then amount we need to enter as 8,000. Then narration we have to write cash sales made. Yes. Sixth transaction, goods purchased from Ratina for 5,000 and money deposited. This one is purchase voucher. Okay, voucher. Then account cash. Okay, here we have to click cash. Then particulars, purchases. Account, here we need to enter the amount. Then narration, yes. Then goods sold to Roni on credit. So sales. Okay, again we need to change it into sales voucher. Okay, that one short here we have to select from here sales voucher. Then we have to enter party account name, Roni account. Then in the particulars we have to write sales account, write the amount. Then narration you write what goods sold on credit to Roni. Then accept. Yes. Money withdrawn from bank for office use, 9,000. Here, if we withdraw money from bank for office use and if we deposit money into bank, these two transactions are contra entries, isn't it? So it will come under the voucher, contra voucher. From here, F4, okay, contra voucher. Here you have to write cash account. Then particular State Bank of India. Which Bank of India we are withdrawing? Then amount 9,000. Then narration, cash withdrawn from bank. Then accept, yes. Then part payment of rupees 10,000 made to Muhyiddin by check. Payment voucher. Then account State Bank of India. Particulars Muhyiddin account 10,000. Narration, payment made to Muhyiddin by check. Okay, you know where to enter. Here account, then particulars, then amount, here narration, then yes. Then Roni made part payment 5,000 by cash. This one. So Roni is making, should not confuse this one. Okay, here part payment made to Muhyiddin. So we make the payment. So payment voucher. Here Roni is making the payment. This is receipt voucher. Okay. For us, for the business concern, for the Roberts business, that is receipt. By seeing the word payment, we should not select the payment voucher. Okay. But for the business, whether it is a payment or it is a receipt, we have to check. Then only we have to select the correct voucher. So cash. Then account cash. We are receiving cash. Then particulars, which account? Roni account. Then amount 5,000. Then accept. Yes. Narration we have to write. Okay. Cash received from Roni. Then salaries paid to staff through ECS. So here the ECS means electronic credit system. Okay. So we are making payment through bank. So here account State Bank of India. If it is cash payment, we can write cash. Okay. Then salary, particular salaries account. Amount 6,000. Okay, the narration, salary is paid through ECS. Then accept, yes. Okay, I think you might have understood everything. Then two more there. Wages paid by cash. This is also payment. Then making by cash. Then account name, wages account. Amount 3,000. Narration. Then yes. Then purchased stationery from Pandian Limited. Okay. So here this will come under journal voucher. It is not payment. Okay. Journal voucher. On credit, if we purchase on cash, that one payment voucher we can write. Okay. Here on credit, that is why we are writing as journal voucher. Particulars stationery. Okay, stationery account. Amount 4,000. Again, this here we need to write the journal entry. So journal voucher means we have to write. So what is the entry? Stationery account debtor to Pandian Limited. So by stationery account, instead of debtor we should write by. Creditor to. Stationery account debtor to Pandian Limited. The narration, stationery bought on credit from Pandian Limited. Accept, yes, write the amount there. Okay. Then after entering this one, to view the reports, we can view the trial balance. For this many transactions, what is the trial balance. We can see. To get the trial balance, how to go? So the usual way, gateway of tally, then reports. Okay, then display. From that display we have to select trial balance. Okay, then detailed trial balance. For that one we have to write Alt plus F1. F1 function key will be there, no? Alt and F1 together we will get this report. Okay. Then after that one, trial balance, we have to prepare profit and loss account, isn't it? So to get a profit and loss account, we have to go like this. Account reports. Okay. Or F1, F10. That is called account reports. From that, we will go to profit and loss account. Then Alt F1. Or in the usual way, gateway of tally, reports, then profit and loss account. Alt F1. Okay, we will get the profit and loss account. Net profit is 30,000. Okay, then the balance sheet. Usually gateway of tally, reports, balance sheet, then detailed Alt F1. Then F10 is account reports. That one balance sheet Alt F1. Okay, we will get the balance sheet. Okay, then any other reports also we can get. Other reports, any ratio analysis. Okay, all the ratio that in default they will have. Okay, those ratios we will get. What are the ratios that we have studied will be here. Okay, here you see F10. Okay, F10 is account reports, then ratio analysis. Gateway of tally, the reports, ratio analysis. For ratio analysis, see all current assets, current liability. First one, current ratio 9.57. Then quick ratio, debt equity ratio, gross profit, net profit, operating cost. Then recovering turnover, return on investment, then return on working capital percentage. Okay. Then the day book, every day's book, isn't it? Today's book, day book, cash book we say, no? Everything we will enter in the day book. For that one, F10, that is account reports. From that we have to go to day book. Then press that Alt F1, we will get the detailed report like this. Okay. Otherwise, from gateway of tally, reports, display, day book, Alt F1. Okay. First, all 1/4/2018. Okay. What we have entered in the State Bank of India. Then they will write the voucher type. It can't try entry amount we will enter. Then it is like journal entries. Okay. Debit, credit, everything. Okay, like journal entry. But here they have given us voucher type, voucher number. What is debtor, what is creditor given here. Okay. Again, one more problem they have given for you. Okay, you see this one, another type this one. By giving the previous year's balance sheet and the current year's transactions. Okay, how to create a company. You are going to work in an existing company, isn't it? They will give, okay, last year's balance sheet. From this one, we have to continue. Okay, today's transaction, then every day's transaction we have to enter, isn't it? So first of all, we have to enter this one, only then we can enter the additional transactions. So for that one, so here that is the one, the newly started company, illustration 1. This one, an existing company, it will have its balance sheet. So the opening, closing balance sheet, next year's opening balance sheet, isn't it? So we have to enter this one. This we will see in the next class, and with that one we will complete the chapter. By tomorrow I will complete the chapter, and again we will have the revision. Okay students, thank you very much.